Welcome back to Tech Pulse. Today we're breaking down one of the most talked about topics in technology, artificial intelligence, or AI. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. In simple terms, it means creating computers that can think, learn, and make decisions. AI isn't science fiction. It's already part of our daily lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on Netflix and YouTube, AI is everywhere. But how does AI work? AI uses data, algorithms, and learning techniques. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. This is called machine learning. There are different types of AI. Narrow AI, which is specialized in one task like playing chess, and general AI, which would think and learn like humans. For now, we only have narrow AI. AI can help us solve big problems, like predicting diseases, making smarter cars, and even helping businesses grow. But we must also be careful. AI raises concerns about jobs, privacy, and ethics. So that's artificial intelligence in a nutshell. Machines that learn, adapt, and assist us in amazing ways. What do you think about AI? Exciting future or risky path? Let us know in the comments.